Welcome, everyone!
Hey, sheep.
This is why sheep don't have careers in figure skating.
Squid him! Get him! Get him!
Law enforcement has seen a lot, but nothing prepares you for a runaway hog with absolutely zero respect for authority.
Oh, you He's tired. Oh, it's a standoff. It's a standoff. It's a standoff. Get him in there. Get him, Mike. Yeah.
I really don't stick to that pushing me. Really?
When your horse gets a little bit too comfortable.
Okay, you're done. You're done. Goodbye.
Just a quick, simple job. What could go wrong?
Oh, kurwa!
Evolution didn't plan for this. If cows aren't smart, what's this?
Oh my god.
That tire has places to be, and it's not waiting for anyone. That trailer had one job. One job. And here we have a silo bailing on its job without even a 2 weeks notice. She rehearsed for this every single day. Today was D-Day. Looking up at the sky for the first time and loving it.
Ashton is looking at you. Ashton!
Whatever happened before this clip was unforgivable.
So anyway, that's what's happening this summer. So
She heard there was meaty on the farm and decided to do the interview herself.
I don't know if this works.
Sí, ya tengo muy bien. ¿Estás preparado, no?
That bull did not come here to negotiate. Nobody invited this energy, but it's here anyway.
Hey, Ron, you done up? You got yourself stuck in the cattle guard.
He had to take one for the team.
Come on. There you go. Go on.
Welcome to the Garage Gang. What have you done, Lucian? Huh? You couldn't wait, huh? And the bucket's empty. That's the really tragic part.
Not his finest hour, possibly his least finest hour.
You silly boy. He's like, just take it off.
This is a mutual hostage situation, and nobody's winning.
Chulada, chulada.
Apparently, ducks can't read caution signs. Who could have known? The package was delivered through thick and thin. Bold strategy. Let's see if it pays off.
Vai mais perto, Lee, vai. Pegou, eita! Porra! Tá, porra!
Nothing to see here, just a goat test in the security system. This one can hold a grudge for a long time. A goat with a taste for fine jewelry. By far the messiest chef's assistant you'll ever see. This is not a drill. This is 1,000 pounds of fury with absolutely nowhere to be. Oh, now I see why they call it the Grand Hauler. We've all been there. Actually, no, we haven't. Maybe just him.
What the hell? Hey, Maisie! No, Maisie! No! No! Oh my God, Maisie, you dumb! Maisie! Maisie! For real?
When scratch time goes too hard.
I have, you know. Hey, you crazy ass Maisie! What is. You know what? I am. Maisie? You nutcase! No. Maisie, you crazy. Maisie has lost her mind.
The neighbor tried to help and ended up needing rescuing.
And I gave you this whole pasture right here. A whole nother pasture for you. And you're angry. Don't throw dirt at me. Don't do it. Hey, you stop throwing dirt at me.
Somebody get the cow therapist.
I swear to God. Petey, it's enough.
The tractor always wins. This has premeditated written all over it. FIFA will not be calling, but they respect the vision. Somebody's having a bad day. When grain distribution goes wrong. When you bite off more than you can chew. If we're being honest, that silo held on for as long as it could.
Even voor de film. Ja, zo ja. Zo, even voor de film. Even voor de film.
They may be small, but the horns are sharp. These guys weaponize some farming equipment and look incredibly proud of themselves for it. This is why you need common sense on the farm. That's the look of a very expensive repair bill.
Que bosta.
Nossa, mãe do céu.
He pulled off a drift that even the manufacturer didn't think was possible.
Rita. 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 ماما بتدور عليكي ايتها هناك روحي صار لها ساعة بتدور عليكي اجري.
Wonder what he was dreaming about.
راحت عليها نومة يا حرام.
The goats are bored and petty. Bad combo.
Is golf come out already?
I don't know. I think they're maybe just checking it out.
Perfect spot to run out of gas.
Damn.
This is probably the worst hole of
Arun. Arun!
Well, that's one way to repark it.
Oh, vreselijk.
Tractors are very powerful machines. This one was having a very off day. That guy's definitely seen worse, 'cause he's not even bothered. Sometimes life comes at you quick, and so do the hay bales. On the farm, you'd better know when to run. The sheep whisperer?
Connectie failed. Bluetooth.
Everyone's panicking, but she just wants to play.
Okay.
This guy got very lucky.
We're golden, Phil. Golden. Watch your. Woo!
Uh-oh, someone's getting fired.
Damn mower.
I tell you what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
No, ain't what's wrong with it. It needs a spark plug.
No, it ain't the spark plug. I tell you, it ain't the spark plug. Yeah, it's the spark plug. You're right.
He's helping in his own special donkey way.
Hey, good morning, moo cows. You guys hungry? Here's some breakfast. Oh, goodness. Watch out, moo cow. Watch out. Oh, my goodness.
He saw it. He just couldn't do anything about it.
She got wiped out. And the bale didn't finish unrolling.
Sometimes you have to cry over spilt milk. with no warning whatsoever.
Awesome.
Hate to be around when that repair bill is ready? Not sure what he did, but that rooster didn't forget.
Have a look at the goats, people. Wild goats, my goodness.
This mob has no respect for the land, and it's obvious.
Look at them. Rotten sods. There is heaps. What are we going to do about that? Need to try and do something about those.
This guy got the memo and ignored it. Not the cow's fault. Who drives with their door open? Roosters across the country are watching this and taking notes. The emu has decided she's family. Mom did not get a vote. That tractor won't stop telling this story.
Dobre. Jel Dragica čitala?
When farming equipment decides it wants to go for an unsupervised solo drive, things get complicated fast. Here's something you don't see every day. You don't need science or engineering when you've got that kind of determination. Tractor tires in snow? This can't be good. Farm Life 101. The horse is 4 times the size of the emu, and yet... Every single step of this could have gone differently.
What do we have here? Why are you in there in the first place?
Cattle guards exist to stop this exact thing from happening. The sheep was not aware of the policy.
Now you're on the wrong side.
This is what you get when you wind me up with food.
It's just mega. You filthy little.
Vai, Roberto, acelera.
This driver is on their own route today, and none of it's on any map.
Pra lá, pra lá, pra lá, rapaz. Minha Nossa Senhora, mas rapaz, de PT é doida. Era pra lá, rapaz, mas pia pra aí que merda da bexiga.
Don't click off yet. If you love our videos, subscribe now and hit that bell. And wait, there's more videos for you right here on the screen. Just click on the one that grabbed your interest and enjoy. See you there!